have. And digitalization brings us a lot of challenges, but also a huge competitive advantage, because with technology and data we are really able to build a highly customized and local consumer experience. Riversand really connect those dots, I guess, and they really help us with all those flexible data models. So we are really able to showcase or build all our data models really flexible and with all the requirements we have and the needs to really have that software and technology that helps to support our processes that we have. I really like most the visionarity. So the new MDM2 platform is really visionary. So I really love the fact how they thought about the future and how things will look like. And I like how they build together those KPI measurements on a dashboard to really bring the consumer and the user of the software into the focus and make things really easy on it.
We are Boden. We sort of sell fashion products, right? So when you're selling a shirt online, the way that you may market that shirt to your customers is slightly different to how you sell that shirt when you're in store or when you're in, say, a third-party concession. So we need to have different versions of the data for all of the different opportunities to sell and reach those customers. As we move into sort of an omni-channel world and we want to reach all of our customers in different ways and create a seamless experience, there's new requirements of how we manage that data, and what we want to be able to do moving forward is launch products at different times, in different channels, in different ways. So we see that we need to move away from what we've used in the past in our sort of home-built PIM into a more off-the-shelf type solution, and that's where Riversand comes in really allowing us to manage all of the different versions and all of the different timings of that data through all of our channels and markets.
Sangoma is a product company, so it's absolutely essential for us to be able to differentiate on the market, putting in advance the advantage of our products and to distribute that across our digital channels to be able to influence the selection of our products, either by our direct customer, which are mainly business customer, but also influence the choice that end customer can have on this selection. We work with Riversand now since a few years. We have implemented PIM system to manage our product information, also our digital assets, and we have also worked with them to develop specific interface to feed our different digital channels with quality documents that we automatically generate out of the systems, and also on specific exports for our distributors and customers. I think Riversand is listening to the customer and willing to engage in a kind of partnership role. We have started quite early with them working on PIM, and we can say that they never let us down, and they were always next to us on bringing the right people and expertise at the different stage of our project to support us and help us improve.
The industry we're working in is not that far developed in terms of digitalization, but we see, especially in the B2C business areas, but also now coming more and more in the B2B areas, the data is getting more and more important for all of them, especially the product data, which is used in increasingly most of the channels we are advertising or markets we are going to. So the PIM is one of the central hubs where all the data is in. And where the data quality is very high. So we are relying a lot of our business marketing information and also production, increasing production data out and coming out of this PIM system. What we like most is the flexibility of the data model inside the system. So there are some unexpected uses, like we're getting more and more to move product groups from one category to another, or from one brand to another, or product groups getting merged together. So we make heavy use of this very high flexibility which is inside the data model, and you can look on very different angles and in different constructions on product data. So this helped us to save a lot of time while also keeping the data quality high.
Our business, and when I look into that, it helps me to make the best offer to our customers. Riversand, with a new vision and their view on how they want to integrate everything on their platform, the platform view is also something that I definitely need to bring different silos together and to drive my business excellence. Riversand is the flexibility and modularity, the scalability, and that helps me to globally bring my communication assets organized in the company, but also displayed to the different output channels I need based on their platform.